the Jamaican Proverb Corner to motivate and inspire, to energize our desire to step up even higher. Have you heard this one? When trouble take you, picnic shirt fit you. When you are in a challenging situation, you'll use any resources around you to help to cushion the blow. You become resilient. You become resourceful. When you're in those challenging situations, you can't do anything else but adapt. And you've got to adapt to those situations very, very quickly in order to avoid the full impact of them. So when trouble take you, picnic shirt fit you. You'll use anything that's available to help resist the full impact of whatever problem you might be experiencing. You're able to use your resourcefulness so that the impact of whatever challenges you're going through don't become as hard or as detrimental as they could have been. When trouble take you, even picnic shirt fits you.